Guys, now let me be real with all of you so y'all can be real with me in my comment section. Okay, right now about 15, I was just checking my analytics yesterday, and about 15 solid people have seriously unsubscribed to my channel. Why? Guys, I'm trying to hit 1K and y'all are unsubscribing already. That's not fair. What's up, boo boos? What's up, and welcome back to another video on your favorite girl's channel. If you just came across my channel, you are so welcome, very welcome. Welcome. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy this amazing family of mine. Okay, so I was sleeping. I don't know where all this energy is coming from because it's just 6:15, and you know, your favorite girl, I like to sleep a lot. Oh my god, my hair's a mess. Yeah. And I was sleeping. I was so deep in my sleep, and I was hearing this noise. I was like, oh god, is that my alarm ringing? I was like, no, I remember that's not the sound of my alarm. And I also remember it's a Saturday. I don't have an alarm on Saturday, so I was like, what was that? So I was like, okay, let me pay attention. And I heard this music playing. I'm like, no, it must be somebody about to preach. So I was like, okay, let me wake up and listen. So I was just there, like that. Hey, Sam. Now the music turned to someone like, it was like, oh guys, let me just go outside of my room and go and see what's happening outside, because it's too early in the morning for anybody to be doing this. So I've come outside and I'm going outside to go and check. But you know, pretty sis, I like to sleep sexy. Okay, so I have this sexy thing on. That's so explicit for y'all to see. So yeah, I'm going to put this cardigan just over my neck. Can you guys see how I'm glowing? This is my morning glory. I was going to put this in and then go outside and see what is going on. Okay, so follow me. These people are exercising.
So let's take it and let me see. Go.
Oh my god, just think of what they are doing. I can't do this.
Go.
I can't do this, Charlie.
2,
I can't do
4,
it.
5.
Sweet.
I'll
I'll come. Guys, I know I've gained weight and all that, but you know, I can't just go and be hopping and jumping. No, I can't do that, okay? And guys, trust me, I didn't want to say this, or I never intended on saying it, but I think I have to say this. I'm doing something that y'all don't like. Please let me know. Okay, my brother, I'm sorry about it. If I'm doing something that you guys do not like, let me know in my comment section, instead of y'all unsubscribing to my channel, because y'all know, like, it's not fair. I just can't understand. Okay, I've been trying so much to put a smile on all your faces, but you know, I just don't know. So please comment in my comment section and say something, because I can't take fun. Seriously, I don't want this video to be very long, because I know all of you, I know you hate watching long videos. Okay, it happens that this evening a friend of mine is doing a party, so I'm gonna be there. Okay, I'm gonna be there for you guys, because I want to create a lot of content for all of you. Y'all be looking at that. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to skip all the day's activities and then we just move right into the party. Okay, and right now is a Saturday, so I have to do a little washing so that I can get something to wear when I go to work. Best innocence girl in the whole of Ghana. Okay, babies, it's time for the party, and I am all set. Okay, I have already packed everything that I need in my bag, especially my nose mask and my hand sanitizer, because guys, you know, I can't live without these things. And right now I'm waiting for my Uber to pick me up. He's on his way. Okay, I know the party has already started, but I know I'm a girl, I can't go there right on time. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to show you guys my pretty outfits, right? It's a false alarm. I thought the driver had found my location, but he hasn't found it. He's bored and he's talking plenty because, you know, the map here is not very accurate.
Up in my Maserati, pick it up in my Maserati. I say up in my Maserati, up in my Maserati. Girl, I wanna see you go down. Yeah, say me I love the way you bend, but oh body, see what you carry. No more in the money, make up the call. Give it to me sharply. Rose bomb.
Can't do anything. So
Just say hi.
Hi. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Yes, and share the links so that others will be able to subscribe,
You
okay?
can start clapping your hands and singing with your mouth.
See, these are my two favorite guys in the world. And oh wow, there's a full size. It's just like so dark here.
Two hours later.
Guys, so we are at Kigali restaurant. I don't know what else it's called, but I know it's Kigali. We are here to eat because I'm starving and I missed the real party. This is the second party. I'm not going to let the opportunity slip by. You guys know that I don't joke with my food, and also the devil wants to come and spoil my program today because my phone is almost off. So guys, if my phone goes off, that is it. Okay, I'll try to see if I can get another phone to vlog it, but if I don't get, then peace out. Okay.